Trine Classic Collection is free right now on Epic Games Store. Claim it before the offer ends and keep it forever. Open up Epic Games Store. If it doesn't have the Epic Games Launcher, then open the Chrome and search Epic Games Launcher and select the official site and select the download option and download the Epic Games Launcher. After the download done, install it. Once installation done, in search store type Train Classic, Train Classic Collection. Click on open it. As you can see, it is free right now. Select the get option. As you can see, 0 rupees. Select place order option. And now, as you can see, the game has been added to library. Select the in library option. As you can see, there are 4 games. To install any one of these games, just select the game and select the install option, and it will start installing. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.